Welcome to my documentary about my family and our fight to bring awareness to the condition of SCA7 and a nonprofit we created called the Hollingsworth Foundation. What is the Hollingsworth Foundation?
The Hollingsworth Foundation is a nonprofit organization that I started about a year ago to help myself and my daughters.
Why did you start the Hollingsworth Foundation?
Currently diagnosed with a rare and pretty devastating neurological condition. But there is no cure and there's no treatment, there's no medicine. So I had to do something. I couldn't sit back and just watch our lives fall apart.
I interviewed Dr. Albert LaSpada, a world-renowned SCA7 specialist who has studied this condition for over 25 years.
SCA7 stands for spinocerebellar ataxia type 7.
Can you explain SCA7 in simple terms?
SCA7 is a neurological disease. It's a genetic disease. So that means that it runs in families. So patients with SCA7 have a problem with coordinated movement, and we have a term for that in medicine. It's called ataxia. And as you can imagine, walking, talking, these require coordinated activities. So patients with SCA7 also can have vision problems and can, in some cases, lose their sight and go blind.
When did SCA7 start causing problems for you?
Towards the end of the 8th grade with eyesight issues.
I am 41 now. I've had to retire and go on disability full time.
The eyesight thing started around like 6th grade.
This year, I started having physical issues and with my walking.
What is your current experience with
I
SCA7?
really can't do much. I can barely walk, and you can see my speech has been affected as well. My vision is significantly affected.
It's difficult for me to walk around, so I mostly stay in the bed.
Having trouble seeing during school.
I haven't driven in years. I can't even write anymore.
I won't be able to go to college.
It's difficult for me to drink also. Most of the time now, I have to use a straw.
Are there any treatments or medicine that will give a hopeful outlook on someone with
There was a
SCA7?
recent clinical trial that was completed for one such drug. So there is some work going on, but there's nothing that has emerged as a proven effective treatment at this time.
How does this make you feel?
Frustrated, angry, less than.
It makes me feel hopeless. I don't get to do most of anything.
I was sad because I knew there wasn't a cure, and I knew that I was only gonna get worse.
If you want to help, you can follow our social media at the Hollingsworth Foundation. You can support our GoFundMe at Hollingsworth SCA Fund, and you can log on to our website. Thank you so much for watching this documentary. My family and I are trying our hardest to find a cure and raise awareness for SCA7.